have Eric Herzog, Infinidat CMO, on our StorageCast today. Infinidat will be participating at Gartner IOCS in Vegas from December 9th to the 11th. Eric, can you give us a preview of how Infinidat will be participating and what IT decision makers can learn from Infinidat during the event?
Wow, December is going to be an exciting month for Infinidat. We're going to be at the Gartner Americas IOCS event December 9th, 10th, and 11th in Las Vegas. Come see us at booth 204 on the main floor. But also we're going to have a number of speaking sessions, both of them on Tuesday, December 9th. One at 3:15 in room Lido 3001B will focus on next generation data protection for cyber resilience. This is critical. In a recent PwC executive survey, PwC saw that 94% of executives don't think they're ready for a cyber threat. Come join us again at 3:15 and learn how Infinidat's InfiniSafe is helping you do that. Our second session later that afternoon at 4:45 p.m. will be in Theater 3 on the main floor. A number of end users will join us and focus on how they reduce their CapEx and their OpEx with Infinidat solutions. See you December 9th through 11th at Gartner IOCS Americas in Las Vegas, and visit our booth 204 as well.